And let me just clarify this. Pretty Little Thing. I've seen so many Pretty Little Thing hauls where people are like, Pretty Little Things, I got some stuff from Pretty Little Things. Pretty Little Thing sent me some things. Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing. It's just one store.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa, Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. If you're back, welcome back. What it do? How you living? What's up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Been a long time. I feel like every time I come on here and say it's been a long time, but you know, y'all should know me by now. If you know me, you love me, turn up. So today we're gonna be doing a Pretty Little Thing try-on haul, swimsuit edition. I've been putting off this swimsuit haul for a long time, maybe for about a month, because I was trying to lose all the weight that I've gained, but then I realized, no, I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I'm gonna make this more of a body positive thing, more body positive for myself, to prove to myself that it's okay. It's okay that you got some lumps, bumps, and dimples because you are a woman. So yes, I picked up a couple of swimsuits from Pretty Little Thing. They were all really inexpensive and the quality is really, really good. Each swimsuit was under $40 for like the top and the bottom. And they're always having a random sale too, so you can catch it on sale. Like, Pretty Little Thing is life. Woo, I'm putting myself out there. But it's all good. Lego. So the first swimsuit I got, it is a two-piece, and I got it in a size 10. I normally get a size 10 at Pretty Little Thing, but I will say I should have sized down because this top, it has no, it is stretchy, but it doesn't have any adjustable like straps. Like, you can't tie this, so I did have to like tie the top up with a hair tie. But it's pretty big. Okay, wait. Oh, ha, this is the top. Okay, so it's just made out of these straps that say Pretty Little Thing. It's black. I love how strappy the bottoms are. The bottoms are really cute. Kind of gives you that extra strap to pull up. It is very high-waisted, which I love. This is one of my favorite ones. I'm always down for like a black swimsuit. Black swimsuits are like, they're gonna make you appear slimmer. The high waist makes you appear slimmer. I love this one. This one was really good quality. It was probably one of my favorites of the ones that I got. A top-notch swimsuit. So the next two that I got actually came in a set. So I'll start with the first one. It's the snake print, super high waist, very cheeky swimsuit. I love it though, like the quality, OMG. And I think both of these I paid $30 for both of them because of the sale that was happening. But it's very cheeky in the back. It is super duper 1991 Saved by the Bell high cut, and I love it. I never thought I would like a swimsuit like this, but I do. It does hold you up a lot. I am a 36D at the top, so it does hold you up very well, and I love this one. The other one that came in this set was this orange one, and I love this color on my skin tone. Melanin loves bright colors in swimsuits, y'all. Oh my god, I love this one so much. This one is bomb. This is one of my favorite ones. I think these two are my favorites. I know I said that already, but you get the point. And yeah, so together these were only $30. I'll be finding the deals, yo. This last one I was looking forward to, and I'm really disappointed in it. It's made very well and the color is beautiful, but I don't feel like the top supports very much. Like, this is not a swimsuit you get if you're top heavy. If you're anything more than a B, you probably don't want to get this swimsuit. Like, the top is like an off the shoulder, it's this neon yellow, and it's like an off the shoulder bandage swimsuit. I don't know, maybe if I would have sized like way down, like 2 sizes, it would fit me tighter, but I don't know. I'm probably gonna send this one back. I wasn't a huge fan of the fit of this one. The bottoms were really cute. I thought about just keeping the bottoms and then wearing like a black top with it or any other color top with it, but I don't know, I'm trying to save money. I've been spending a lot of money this month. But we'll see. I did like this one. This one was also under $40 with the sale altogether, so yeah, that one was dope. Pretty much all I got on this run. I didn't want to get too many swimsuits just because I wasn't sure how they were gonna fit, but I would definitely order from Pretty Little Thing as far as swimsuits. Again, I think that they're amazing quality. I think they're great price. I think they're very unique and different, and they bomb. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.